Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Run Guitar. We have Carin Leon. I think that is the first time here on Run Guitar. And Despidase Bien, that's the name of the song, I believe. I hope I don't butcher that pronunciation. Spanish is not my second or third or fifth language, actually. So we're just trying to do my best here, but I know there are people who want to learn these songs, so yeah, I hope I can help here. This is the song we're going to go through, and we don't need any cape on this one. All right, we have 7 chords, so we're going to look at that. We're going to start with the bar chords and slowly work our way through here. Starting with B minor, that's a bar chord. We play the bar on the 2nd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string in the bass, but the 5 strings below you have to, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We also have the F sharp minor. That's another bar chord, still on the 2nd fret, this time over all strings, all right? And then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. Sorry, that is the F sharp chord, of course. And when you do this, you take away the 3rd fret G string. From this chord, you get the F sharp minor. All right. So F sharp like this, F sharp minor without the 3rd fret G string. Everything else is the same. So there you have the F sharp chords. Now over to G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. We have E minor as well. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have D, and that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And the final chord will be A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. All right, so 7 chords, B minor, the 2 F sharps, G, E minor, D, and A. D and A. Nice there. Anyway, let's take a look at the strumming pattern. And we have the B minor as a starting chord. So we're gonna play the strumming pattern that goes 3 downs, then a clap, and then 2 downs. So it will be like this. So down, 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 clap, down, 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 clap, down, down. And so on. Pretty easy, huh? So we have this main chord progression. I'm not sure if that is the chorus and like almost all the parts of this song here, but we also have a different chord progression later. We're gonna go into that pretty soon, but this is the main that is played perhaps, I believe, 85 or 90% of the song, okay? So it goes with the chord progression B minor, 2 string rounds, F sharp minor, 2 string rounds, G, 2 string rounds, E minor, 1 string round, and the F sharp, 1 string round. So B minor, 2, F sharp minor 2, G2, E minor 1, F sharp 1. That is the main part of the song. Already now you have this 90% of the song, but then sometimes, like in the very beginning almost, we had a different chord progression. Perhaps it's the verse, I'm not sure, but anyway, I think you will understand when you come to that. I think the 2nd round you play this chord progression, it will be this this one we're gonna learn now. So it will be D2, A2, E minor 2, then D1 and F sharp 1. This D2, A2, E minor 2, G1, I believe this chord progression will come back, yeah, at least 2 times in this song, in the beginning and then later in the mid area, somewhere there. Perhaps a 3rd time, not sure. But you're only going to play this for 1 round, what I remembered. So this is a very short part of this song. The main part is the B minor 2, F sharp minor 2, G2, E minor 1, F sharp 1. With this string pattern throughout the song, and you have it. So Carin Leon's Despidase Bien. Hope you enjoyed it, guys, and if it was helpful, please give me a like on this one. I do my best to satisfy you and to educate you, so yeah, I hope to get something back. I really appreciate it, guys. So thank you and play tuned.